Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought something new for you guys. So let's get started with the video. So here are the materials that you will need. Printed sheet, normal colored sheet, golden paint, any sketch or pencil, some paper clips, scissors, paintbrush, scale and some black beads. Lastly, you will need cardboard also. Here are the measurements that you will need to cut. Now take gold paint. I am using here 6 number brush. Now take the cardboard piece and color it as shown. Take your paper clip and unfold it as shown. Now make a loop. Now pass the beads through wire. If you don't have paper clip, you could use another wire also, which I have shown later in the video. You will need 2 of these. Now cover your cardboard with printed or color sheet. Now take 8 by 8 cm square and mark 5 cm and make a line. Now stick the cardboard with the help of hot glue gun or any other glue as shown. Now take the smaller rectangle and mark as shown. Now take another rectangle and glue it where the marks are with the help of hot glue gun, or you can use any other glue. Now for making drawer, take smaller and bigger rectangular pieces and glue it together. Here drawer is completed. Now for making handle, here is the another wire which you could use. I'll show you how you can use here. Mark to punch holes. Pass the wires through these holes. Now pull it from inside and make semicircular as shown. Cut off extra wire. Now twist it and bend it as shown. Make 2 drawers. Now take the stand, insert first drawer and second drawer. Now take another rectangle and mark again. Now glue the rectangle with the help of hot glue gun. Now take another rectangle of 8.5 cm breadth and 2.5 cm in height and glue it with hot glue gun as shown. Now take another rectangle of 8.5 cm in breadth and 5.2 cm in length. And another rectangle should be little smaller than. Glue these cardboard as shown. This part is totally optional. You could stick black beads or flower as I did. This part is also totally optional. If you want to make it look good, you could do it or not also. Now you could use toothpick, dotting tool or back of the paint brush to make little dots with black paint. And here it is completed. I hope you liked the video, and if do so, then like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.